So how many of you are a little winded? We get winded. How many of you get winded when you're chasing your kids around? Exactly. So we're going to go over different types of breathing for different situations. So the first one we're going to do is called belly breathing, but I want you to get an understanding about how you breathe. So take one hand, put it on your chest area. Other hand, put it on your belly. Now when I say go, I invite you to take 3 breaths. And all you do is I want you to breathe in and see and feel if you breathe in more with your chest, if you breathe in more with your stomach, or like I don't know, a combination of both, all right? So, and this works better if you do with your eyes closed. So one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, 3 breaths just to learn how you breathe. Ready, set, go. Awesome. By the way, how many of you, that's the first time you've taken a breath for yourself in like the whole day? Or like the whole week? How many of you, the only breath you ever take is when you do that surprised look, when one of your kids that does what they always do anyway, you go like that, and that's like the only look, the only breath you get. All right, so how many of you were just breathing in and out with your chest and shoulders? How many of you felt that you're breathing out only with your belly? How many of you felt the combination of both? Awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to do intentional belly breathing. So take your hands, put it on the belly, and you're going to actually use your stomach muscles, and I promise they're there. They just might have a nice protective coating, you know, wintertime. So what you do is you breathe in, and when you breathe in, you push your stomach out. Now, I used to have a 6-pack, but I figured what better way for you to have an understanding on belly breathing is if I create a visual aid for you. So I ate a lot of pizza and ice cream and root beer just so I can... Anybody buying this at all? You? Okay, thank you, Denny. Love you. Okay, so hands on your belly. Watch. When you breathe in, make your belly as big as you can like this. It's a baby. Okay, now when you breathe out, pull your stomach muscles in like you do the first day you walk onto the beach. Or is that just me? Sorry, TMI. All right, so you're going to pull, use your stomach muscles in. Now breathe in. Make your belly big. You're actually using your stomach muscles. Breathe out. Pull your stomach in. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. So that's belly breathing. So anytime you ever get an opportunity to try it, if you intentionally focus on doing this back and forth, you'll feel something. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.